What does your job not allow you to tell customers? 1. I worked at a fancy hotel, and was out front to greet people and assist upon arrival. We weren't allowed to say, "Welcome back." This was in place to protect those that decided to bring another spouse or partner or mistress, day after day to the hotel during their stay. 2. Our warranty is as long as it is, because it will fail after the warranty. 3. In my country there are two main distributors of the products my employer sells, us and the other company, which buys their products from us, to sell them as theirs. I deliver a truck full of products every week to them, but we have to deny every connection to the other company.